you have a Rubik's Cube, but y'all don't know how to solve it? Well, there's one thing I did. And I'm not by my brain, by this app. Look, right here. It's called Cube Solver. As you see, I'm going to show y'all. So I'm going to just mess this up. Just mess my cube up. Yeah, mess it up real good. Alright. So now, let me restart. You're going to get here, 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 and here, and here. Go to next. Next to it, flip your Rubik's Cube this way, that way, that way, that way, that way, that way, that way, and then okay. Okay, guys, this might take a little long, but I'm gonna show you how to fully do it, because I know in my videos I'll be just cut and show you how to the part. No. This is not what we're gonna be doing today. Alright. Boom. I'm gonna search up on how to get camera face thing, because I don't know how to do on my phone, my type of phone. These notifications is getting me so mad. Shoot. Green. The next part up here. Here. Then you go here. Here. And then after these two, I'm going to solve it. Alright. Look. Wait, no. This way? This way. 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 This way again. This way again. This way again. This way again. This way. This way again. This way again. This way again. This way again. And look guys, look, watch, solved it. That's a free tip on how to do it, and if y'all want to know what the app is called, just put Cube Solver, then you'll see it. Put the exact picture in. Name is Ryan, initials is RLH, and my YouTube channel is Lit. Peace out. I'm out, guys. Wait, hold up.